General instructions for commencement of domestic air travel. Air travel of passengers, both domestic and international, has been prohibited since 25th March 2020. Now it has been decided by government that domestic air travel of passenger shall resume with effect from 25th May 2020. Accordingly, Ministry of Civil Aviation has developed general instructions and detailed guidelines for air travel of passengers and major stakeholders, airlines, airport, security agencies, ground handling agencies and health authorities, etc., by incorporating necessary safeguards in consultation with experts and stakeholders. Journal instructions. A. On the day of commencement, limited operations about 1/3 would be permitted. B. Further augmentation of flights will be done in calibrated manner. C. Vulnerable persons such as a very elderly, pregnant ladies, passengers with health issues are advised to avoid air travel. D. No physical check-in at airport counters would be done. Only those passengers with confirmed web check-in shall be allowed to enter the airport. E. Airlines should adhere to the lower and upper limits of fares prescribed by the Ministry during the period of COVID-19 pandemic. F. A self-declaration Arogya Setu app status for compatible device would also be obtained that the passenger is free of COVID-19 symptoms. Passengers with red status in Arogya Setu app would not be permitted to travel. G. Passengers will be required to wear the protective gear, face mask. H. The airlines shall not provide meal service on board. I. The cabin crew are required to be in full protective suit. J. Only one check-in bag will be allowed. K. No newspaper or magazine shall be provided on board by the airlines. L. Use of baggage trolleys has to be minimized. M. Passengers should report at least 2 hours before the departure time. N. Airlines shall furnish the passengers manifest in the prescribed format to the state UT governments as per their requirement. O. The detailed guideline to be followed by passengers is at Annexure 2nd. For the sake of convenience of passengers, the guideline have been divided into 4 parts. First, origin to airport. Second, at the airport. Third, in the aircraft. Fourth, from airport to destination. Specific operating guidelines are communicated for major stakeholders, airlines, airports, ground handling agencies, etc. is at Annexure 3rd.